Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium, chapter number 8 in Grammar. What is the chapter name? The chapter name is the verb. The verb. Let's see about the verb, the definition of the verb. The word that refers to an action. The word that refers to an action, a state of being, or possession in a sentence is known as a verb. The word that refers to an action, showing the action or state of being, or possession in a sentence is known as a verb. Without verb, the sentence is incomplete. Let's see the parts of the sentence. A sentence has two parts. Number one, the subject which gives information about the door of an action. The subject which gives the information about the door of the action, and the predicate which gives the information plus the remaining part, verb and the words, means predicate which gives the information. Now see, here given the sentence, I, here given the subject, I love ice cream, means verb and object is called what? Predicate, and I is subject. The same, I gave Mita a book. So from the verb to the full stop means object. There are two objects, object 1, object 2. Till that it's predicate and it's subject. This is the subject, the door of an action who has done, and it's a predicate. It's a verb, gave, and here use love. So here the predicates in the both sentence, these both sentences have different elements, verbs and object. Verbs and objects. The word love and gave. Love here and here, gave in this sentence indicate action. Which action? So they are called the verb. Now see the types of verbs. What? The types of verbs. Here there are two types, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So in intransitive verbs there are also subtypes, verbs of action and verbs of being. What? Verbs of action and verbs of being. But now I am going to talk you about this transitive verb. What is transitive verb? Okay, so the transitive verb here, the sentence noun here given what? Ice cream. Ice cream completes the meaning of the verb love. Okay, so the object of the verb love in a sentence is used. In transitive verb there is only one object. How many object? Only one object in a sentence. So we can say that it's a transitive verb, but it's a thing used. Okay, it's a thing used. Object number 1. Let's see here. The predicate has the verb gave. Okay, now what is transitive verb? Verbs that must have an object or objects to complete their meaning are called transitive verb. What is transitive verb? Only object. Only one object is used in transitive verbs to complete their meaning. That is called transitive verbs. If I give you the example about this transitive verb, I write a letter. What? I write a letter. So what here? A letter is object. A letter is what? Object. So here write is verb. Transitive verb here use. Because it's only one object is used. One object. How many object? One object is used. So write is transitive verb. How? Because showing means is complete the meaning of a sentence. Okay. So say that is a transitive verb. I write a letter. What I write? A letter. So it's a transitive verb. Now here given the fill in the blanks with suitable verbs or objects from the ones given in the box. Here in the box there are verbs given. Leaves, all the valuables, rope, took, hit, a reward, a road, flows, chased, entered, talks, tied. So these are verbs here given in the yellow box. And what we have to do, we have to complete this blank by filling it through these verbs. Okay, let's see the first one. Let's see the first one. Here use the stream. The stream blank down the mountain. So the stream from the mountain. The stream. What? The stream down. So what down? What down? It's going down. So flows is the answer. What? Flows. So in the first, what we write? The flows. The stream flows down the mountains. It's the first one. Flows down the mountain. Along this stream runs. Okay, along this the stream runs. Here is the way. Here is the way. The stream runs. The stream runs what? Stream runs a road. So this is the second answer. Stream runs a door. So here is the second one. Now the third one. The first one is flow and second one is a road. Okay, first and second. Now come to the third one. Mr. Sen blank in a house beside the road one day. Mr. Sen, where here what comes? Mr. Sen lives. Mr. Sen lives. So number third, what is the third answer? Lives. So here given the third, lives. Lives in a house beside the road. One day a burglar. One day a burglar. What? Burglar blank his house. Burglar blank his house. So what? Entered is the answer. What? Entered. Entered is the answer. A burglar entered his house. He took. What? Burglar came in the house. So what did the burglar do? The burglar took all the valuables from his house. The watchman blanked the burglar. The watchman chased the burglar. What? Chased the burglar. The watchman chased the burglar. Here. Chased the burglar. Then the watchman blanked the burglar on the head. Chased the burglar and the watchman hit. The watchman hit the burglar on the head. He blanked him with a. He blanked him with a blank. So here he blank. So what? He tied. He tied. He tied him with a rope. So rope is 7. Time with a rope. He blanked him to the police station. He blanked him to the police station. Who took is the right answer. He took him to the police station. The watchman got, after giving the police, the watchman got what? A reward. What? A reward for his bravery. And everyone still blank about his courage. So what is left here? This talk. Talk is the last one. Talk is the last one. So what is the answer I am write down here? The first blank is flows. The second one is road. The third one is leaves. Then the fourth one is entered. This entered. Fourth. Then the fifth one is all the valuable answer here. Then the sixth one. Sixth one is this, chased. The seventh one is hit. The eighth one is tied. Eighth one is tied. In the same line, the answer, a rope, is ninth one. Then he took it. Where this took is 10. Took 10. A reward 11. A reward 11. Then the talks. The last one is 12. So this is how we complete this blank using this verb. I hope you understand about this. In the next class, we talk about the indirect object and direct object in a sentence through the sentences. Thank you.